The other day, we opened our phones and we were like, oh my god. I was about to quit.
One video I'll tell you blew up like crazy.
Our account monetized in just 30 days. So this tells one thing clearly that YouTube is really not about time. Hi guys, welcome to our channel, Your Couple Goal. If you are new here, I'm Shefali.
And I am
So in
Nikhil.
today's video, we will be answering some basic questions that almost everyone has. Questions that we ourselves were confused about when we were starting out. Honestly, when we were at that stage, we were also trying to figure things out, what to post, how to grow, or whether we are even doing the right thing or not. And we really didn't have anyone that could explain us in a simple, real way. So we thought, why not share our experience with you guys? So this video is not going to be about some textbook advice or some overnight success. This is basically our raw journey, the mistakes we made, and basically the things that worked for us. So let's start from the very beginning. That is our first question: how we started our journey as a couple content creators.
So we got married like 2 years back, and like any normal couple, we were having the time of our life. We were enjoying our newly married life. No strategies, no content creation ideas, no we are going to be like the influencer talk and all. Just the two of us, and suddenly this happens.
Okay, so during our wedding, we had this Grah Pravesh moment, which of course Nikhil and his cousins planned it for me, and it was such a beautiful and grand Grah Pravesh, which I had zero expectations about, and it was a really beautiful surprise. And the video turns out to be so beautiful too, and I just thought of randomly posting it. Like I didn't have plans, strategies in my mind of it getting viral or anything, but I just randomly posted it because I personally loved it. So what happened was the other day we opened our phones and we were like, oh
Wow.
my god, it went viral. People were so many people were watching us, and we had zero expectations from it. We are not kidding. We had zero expectations from it. I just shared my personal moment and people were loving this.
Sorry to cut you off, but वो वीडियो भी जो हमने शूट किया था,
Yeah.
there was no intention of shooting a video. There was no intention of
Nothing at
posting it
all.
anywhere. It was just for Shefali. It was just for her family. It was just for my family. It was our moment. But okay, ऐसे टाइम पे people were recording it. हमने सबसे थोड़ी 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 clips ली. She edited it and posted it on Instagram. I had no expectation what was going to happen to this.
Yeah.
I actually didn't knew this was she was going to post this.
Yeah.
But the other day, the second and the third day, it blew up like crazy, bhai.
But instead of taking this seriously, we were like, it is just a luck, one time thing, ho gaya hoga galti se. And we seriously never took this seriously until we went to this friend's wedding. उसके कुछ महीने बाद ही we went to this friend's wedding, and वहाँ पे भी हमने एक प्यार सा, couple get ready with, not get ready with me, it was like a transition video of the outfits we wore, basically
Yes.
wore in our wedding.
Yes.
And turns out वो भी viral हो गया the next day. It had recently
It had
crossed
somewhere
around
around 800k views.
K
I
to
guess.
900K, yeah. And वो भी कोई प्लान नहीं था. There was no plan, no strategy, nothing. हमने प्यारा सा हमारा एक moment आया and we just posted it. So वहाँ से we got this idea कि people are loving us as a couple.
Exactly.
And also I would like to mention one more thing, that a lot of people that we personally knew, our close friends, उन्होंने बहुत बार they used to tell us that we look good together,
Yes.
and they love seeing us together,
exactly.
and to create more content, and they love watching us. But we're like, okay, देखेंगे. We never took this thing seriously
Yes,
at
it
all.
was never very serious.
But
never.
after this second video, we also somewhere thought ki why not? What's the harm?
Why don't give it a try?
Let's give it a shot.
Yes.
Yeah, let's give it a shot. And उसके बाद भी 2-3 महीने we did nothing.
No.
उसके बाद हमने थोड़ा सीरियसली लेना चालू किया this content creation journey. We started professionally recording our video. We got the tools, equipments, everything that needed us to record the videos and everything. हमें कोई knowledge नहीं था, zero experience, zero knowledge. While we were starting, we have no particular niche in our mind that कि हमको ये करना है. We just thought कि cute couple videos and some fun humor videos हम बनाते हैं, and we started recording. First video that we recorded professionally, वो भी viral ही था. Yeah,
Oh,
it
yeah,
crossed
yeah.
around 100, 150K.
100k. It was
yeah.
like almost in a week. It was like
yeah.
100k. It crossed 100k, and
Yeah.
that was the first video where we were actually we had some dialogues to say.
Yeah.
Where we were
prepared for
acting.
it.
It was not us naturally just posting some
Some
cute
random.
funny moment or something like that. It was not that.
Yeah.
We had a script. We knew what to do. So it was a scripted, a funny video. Everybody was liking it, and बहुत अच्छा response था यार. In short,
And there we got this idea ki
Yes.
if people are loving this side of us, we have to
Why
create
not?
more
Why
about
not
this.
create
So we
this?
started creating more humor videos and cute couple content, and after some few more videos also got good views. I can't say it went viral or something, but हमें काफी अच्छा response आ रहा था.
So after that first video, we tried some 2-3 videos in next 15 days, and there was so much love from you people. There was so much positivity, so much lovely comments from you guys
That kept us
yeah,
motivating to create more.
yeah.
And also from our family members, our close ones, our friends, they were loving us. They showed so much support to us. Then that made us keep going. Obviously, we were really nervous at the start, but as we kept on going, हमारा confidence थोड़ा
Yes,
build up हुआ,
yes,
and we started posting daily. And
till then I should mention this, तब तक भी हमारा कोई couple content channel नहीं था. It was her Instagram ID, my Instagram ID.
And
We
we
used to
just
collaborate from
collaborate.
both of those IDs, and इतना अच्छा response आप लोगों का मिलने लगा that we thought of making a couple content channel. So basically, this was how we started our journey as couple content creators on Instagram. Moving on to the next question, how we started our journey on YouTube.
So this was basically Nikhil's idea to start a YouTube channel. I was not really sure about it at first, and but he so wanted to do it. So I was like, yeah, let's give it a shot. So I started posting. I posted like 1 or 2 video in the beginning, and the views were really flat. Like
Flat,
we
we-
barely got 30 to 40 views
Yes,
on each video.
exactly.
And I was like, Nikhil, this is a big no. Ban karte. I was about to quit, but he was constantly pushing me ki let's have some patience, थोड़ा सा और post करते consistently.
See,
Let's
Instagram
not
पे
quit
यार,
so easily.
sorry
Yeah,
to cut you.
it's okay.
Instagram पे हम लोग के already कुछ followers थे.
Yeah,
She had like
Good
5,000,
followers,
6,000
yeah.
followers. I had somewhere around 2,000 followers. So it was like, वहाँ we know people. People know us. Whoever watches our video, they will at least come and do some interaction with our video. It started going viral somewhere around the line where they loved our video. But
they already
YouTube,
knew us. Yeah,
nobody knew us
we
on
were
YouTube.
starting this from
Yeah,
scratch.
yeah.
So
And we did not really promote our YouTube channel on Instagram. बहुत ज़्यादा हमने share नहीं किया
किया
था
ही नहीं
हमारे
था actually,
yes
yeah.
actually नहीं किया था.
क्यों हम try कर रहे थे, वैसे let's see what
हाँ,
happens.
हमने Instagram पे कुछ basically इसके बारे में ज़्यादा पोस्ट किए नहीं थे. 1-2 बार हमने सिर्फ हमारी स्टोरी रखी थी कि ये हमारा YouTube चैनल है, so please go watch our videos and all. And it was basically the same videos we used to post on Instagram.
Instagram.
We used to post as YouTube Shorts.
Shorts, yeah.
ओके सो वहाँ वीडियोस पे थोड़ा सा फ्लैट टाइप का रिस्पॉन्स था इनिशियली, बट आफ्टर 5 to 6 वीडियोस, वन वीडियो आई टेल यू, दिस वन वीडियो इट ब्लू अप लाइक crazy.
Yeah,
You
changed.
cannot, we couldn't like
It
really
was actually
believe.
our turning point. It
Yes,
was
yes,
actually our
yes,
turning
yes,
point on
yes.
YouTube.
Yes.
And it blew like crazy. When I
Crazy.
was about to quit YouTube, and suddenly we were like, bang! It was 46 million, recently 46 million views on that particular shorts.
Yes, yes.
And actually, that particular video changed our entire journey.
Yes.
वहाँ से इतना ज़्यादा motivation आया, and I was so thankful कि इसने मेरे को quit नहीं करने दिया. And we didn't quit, and we just kept on posting. So यहाँ से consistency actually is the key. If you are new, and I would really suggest कि quit मत करो just because 1 or 2 video of yours
Yes,
is not
yes.
working and you're thinking
Keep
कि नहीं
going.
होगा. Just keep going. आएगा, there will be a moment when you have no idea, and you'll just wake up to this viral video that you have no idea, no expectation about. And seriously, जिससे था उससे नहीं, मुझे इस वीडियो से कोई expectation नहीं थी, but it turned out so well. And वहाँ से we started gaining a lot of subscribers. We have around
32,000
32K
subscribers.
plus
Yes,
subscribers
thank
on
you.
YouTube,
Thank
and
you
we are
again.
really grateful about
Thank
that.
you so much.
Thank you for being a part of this journey, and we really appreciate each subscriber. Means a lot to us. And वहाँ से we started this taking YouTube very seriously. हमने
Yes.
consistently post करना चालू किया, and again after few videos viral होने
We
लगे
had this
हमारे
viral
कुछ
moment
video.
again.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Few of
We
our videos had
crossed
crossed million
millions,
views.
1 million,
Yeah.
2 million, 3 million.
6-7 million also.
Yes, yes.
Actually अभी तो ऐसा हो गया कि Instagram से भी ज़्यादा
YouTube पे
YouTube
positive
पे
response
हमारा
है,
काफी अच्छा
where we
response है.
actually, I think जो लोग हमें Instagram पे follow करते हैं उसमें से not even half of the people are on our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
बहुत लोग हैं, our near and dear ones are constantly on our YouTube channel. They
Yeah.
watch our videos, they keep supporting us. But बट जो सपोर्ट न्यू लोगों ने हमें दिखाया वहाँ पे, जो एक्चुअली नए लोग, हमारा वीडियो जहाँ नए नए लोगों तक हमारी वीडियो जा रही थी, जिन लोगों का इतना सारा हमें अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिला, वेरी ग्रेटफुल अगेन यूट्यूब फैमिली, थैंक यू सो मच. हमें एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था एक महीने में we'll cross like 25-30,000 followers. This was not expected
This
at all.
was crazy.
But I'll tell you, most of it were from that one viral video which went 40 million plus. वहाँ से हम बहुत ज़्यादा हमारे सब्सक्राइबर्स गेन हुए थे.
Now moving forward to our next question, that is how we got our account monetized in just 30 days.
Monetization needs at least 5,000 subscriber if you are doing YouTube shorts, which we were doing already, and we are not into this long form videos and all. So 5,000 subscribers we already had, and we needed 10 million valid views on our YouTube short videos. So collectively we needed at least 10 million views to get monetized. When this video went viral, somewhere around, it was around like 5 million views it had, and we had these 2-3 videos following that video. So collectively these videos which went back to back viral, these 3-4 videos helped us get our YouTube channel monetized so quickly in just 30 days.
Where I was about to quit YouTube to
To
46 million views
on just one video. Yes.
So I'm really grateful that I didn't quit. So moving forward to our next question, that is how much have we earned on YouTube till now? In around 4 months of being monetized, we have earned approximately $280 on YouTube. That is
somewhere around 25,000 Indian rupees.
Yeah. Now, before you judge that number, there's some context. So we were not really consistent this 4 month. There was this phase where we really went inconsistent for like 1 to 2 months. Life happened, we were figuring things out, and we were not able to post regularly. So that matters a lot.
Yes, consistency is the key. If you want to do anything, not just YouTube, not just social media, anything if you want to do in life, consistency is the key.
Especially social
That
media.
we learned from here.
If you want to grow your account on social media or anything,
Yes.
consistency is the key.
Yes.
There's no compromise on consistency. That's what we have actually learned from here.
No matter, you don't have to be perfect in everything. Just keep posting, just keep showing up regularly
Yeah.
to the people who follow you. Just keep connecting to those people who want to see you, actually, who are loving the way you present yourself in front of them. We are trying to do the same. Now we will be posting very consistently. You will see us very often on social media platforms, on Instagram, on YouTube.
Also, we'll be posting our long form videos, or at least we will try to post more often. And we hope that you'll love our long form videos too. Okay, quick heads up. If the lighting feels a little different, the sun just went down and we have to turn on our room lights. So just bear with us.
And one more thing we really want to say here is that we are very new creators. We are still figuring things out, how this works, what is working for us, what is not working for us. We are still in that learning phase. Also, we will be trying to bring some new type of content to you related to fashion, related to travel, and all this stuff. So we are expecting the same kind of love you have shown to our cute videos, to our couple videos, to our comedy videos. We would be expecting the same kind of love.
So, if you have some suggestions for us, please feel free to comment down below. Any suggestions are welcome, and we would love to create anything that you would like to see. And so please comment down below. And also, whatever we have shared till now or whatever we are sharing is purely our experience. So, moving forward to our last question of the video.
Yes.
Is YouTube still worth starting in 2026?
So a lot of people keep asking us, is YouTube still worth starting in 2026?
And the short answer is yes, but not for the reasons you think it is.
Most people feel it's too saturated now, too many creators, too much competition, too late to start. And honestly, we used to think the same way in the beginning, but it's not right.
And we are fresh creators ourselves. We have started recently, no audience, no legacy, no shortcuts, and we saw some real growth too.
Yes, we
So this tells one thing clearly, that YouTube is really not about timing.
In 2026, YouTube is not about perfection. It's more about authenticity. And after this shorts and all, everything has changed. One good video can change everything for you. We are a living proof of that.
So let's be clear, if you are in YouTube just for money, chances are you'll quit early.
Yes.
Because growth takes time. And
Exactly,
you know
yes.
what, consistency matters more than motivation. That's what
Exactly.
I feel.
And honestly, money was never a priority for us on starting YouTube, on starting Instagram, on whatever we just wanted to express ourselves in front of you.
And we love creating content.
Yes, this is as a passion we started,
Yeah.
but
We
it's
saw this as a great
opportunity for us to
get
monetize and all.
monetized and
So
everything.
that comes after this. First, this is our passion. We want to express ourselves in front of you. We are very happy to do this for you, and we are very happy to see the way you love us, the way you show such good interaction to our videos. We are very happy to see every one of you.
So is YouTube worth starting in 2026? A big
Yes.
Especially if you are starting as a beginner, it's a big yes. And if you are thinking of starting your YouTube channel this year, comment starting 2026 below. And if you're already a creator, do tell us what has been the hardest part so far. So yeah, this was our journey so far, from zero plans to still figuring things out as a new creator.
We are still learning, still growing, still making mistakes. But if even one part of our experience has helped you, that means a lot to us.
And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel.
And if you have any kind of questions, suggestions, or any kind of topics you want us to talk about on this channel, feel free to comment down below. We actually read those comments and we will be replying to all of your comments. We will try to make such kind of videos which you want us to.
Also, if you know someone who's been thinking of joining YouTube, do share this video with them. It might be exactly what they need right now. Thanks for watching.
We'll see you in the next video. Bye.